you are about to transition from the physical classroom to the online classroom and you're thinking of what sites or where to apply for you to get that dream job you've been looking for, search no more, because today I'm going to be sharing 4 online platforms that you could apply to for you to get that job that you have been seeking for. So if you're just watching or you're just coming into my channel, my name is Miss Blessing and this is I Teach with Miss B. What do we do here? We share educational content and ways that you could be financially free as a teacher. Moving forward, let's look at some of these platforms that take teachers or are actively recruiting teachers for their platform. The first one we want to talk about now is Brilliant Online School. So Brilliant Online School is an online tutoring platform that run an after-school learning program for students in the diaspora. Now they teach students from K to 12. So even if your child is in kindergarten or you're an EYFS teacher or you're a STEM teacher, whatever you teach, there's a place for you in Brilliant Online. So you could see that it is accessible to both parents and tutors likewise. But as a tutor, that's why I'm doing this video. So as a tutor, you could just check the range of programs that they are offering, and they teach basic subjects like maths, English, literature, African languages, history, coding, biology, handwriting, African languages. I think I said that before. Spanish. Okay, music. So anyone you're looking for, they have it here on Brint Online. All you have to do is when you log in on the platform, I'm going to drop the link in the description. When you go to the platform, just go to the area where you have careers. So if you go to the place where there's careers, click on careers. It's going to load up and then you could either find the careers at the top or at the bottom of the page. Yeah. So when you click, it's going to load up and you're going to see an email where you could submit your application. Okay, so you could submit your details, your document, anything that you think it's worth submitting for you to get the online job. Please go ahead and submit it. And that is why it's important to get yourself prepared before time. The next thing or the next platform is HiPrep Online. HiPrep Online is an interesting, informative, in fact, it's a good platform. I can test it because I'm part of them as well. So HiPrep Online is a platform that teach K to 12 as well, students around the world. And as you can see, this is their interface. So you just go to their website, hypreponline.com, and then there's a part for tutors or as a parent. You sign up as a tutor or as a parent. So as a tutor, if you're signing up, you just go ahead and click. It's going to it's going to load rather, and then you can put up your details, sign up with your details, your phone number, and then you get prepared because you will have to also drop a demo video while you're applying. The next one I want to talk about, or the third one, is Teach Online. Okay, Teach Nigeria rather. Teach Nigeria is another interesting platform where you can get paid hourly. If you're a tutor, they teach music. Okay, so it's not just basic maths, English, there are other subjects there. So search and apply. So you could see register now as a tutor or teach now or tutor now. Just click on it and then it will take you to where you can apply as a tutor. Or you check at the bottom, you'll see the numbers you can send to your application to. And the last one I want to talk about is George Learning Space. This is a colleague who is doing very well for himself. And in George Learning Space, the pay is good. Trust me, the pay is good. So just you could search him up on Instagram as the classic teacher or on LinkedIn as George Learning Space and then make your application. I would also like to let you know that the payment is within 4,000 to 10,000 naira per hour. It depends on your negotiation skills and the topics or the subjects that you're teaching. Another thing I also want you to take note of is some of these companies have their pay rate already, like it's already there. You can't change it. So it's either you're going to it or not. But in all, I will always say, use your negotiation skill, negotiate well, you know your worth, yeah, and then you'll be able to make more as a teacher. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you've learned something today. And please, if you have, click on the like, share, subscribe button. I have other videos in my on my YouTube channel talking about the gadgets you could use as an online teacher. Please go ahead, click on the videos, watch, and let me know if this video has been of help to you in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.